Good day, everyone. I welcome you to Global Education Zone, and this is economics class. I hope you are well. And tonight's over here for you and I because education never ends, and learning is the key to an impactful life. So, for today's class in economics, we'll be dealing with the first topic, which is basic tools for economic analysis. And this topic is an SS1 topic and it's relatively easy to relate with. So, you can relate to this topic because basic tools for economic analysis just is about the things that economists use to analyze data. And when I say analyze is just to study something, to write something down. When you put something down, when you can organize something in such a way that you can easily understand it. So, and these tools are simple mathematical instruments, and they are just tables, graphs, charts, mean, median, and mode. So a table is defined as a systematic and orderly arrangement of information, facts, or data using rows and columns for presentation, which makes it easier for better understanding. So basically, a table is just when you say represent the scores of 50 students, or even in the scope of economics, if you want to talk about tables, you might say represent this data, the bags of cement, bags of cocoa produced by Nigeria in the year 2022 and stuff like that. So basically, tables just arranges the information in rows and columns. Then the next one is graphs. A graph is just may be defined as a diagram showing a functional relationship between two variables. So I sent some pictures to the group earlier on. So what graph is all about is just like many of you be familiar with graphs by now. If you're in SS2, SS3, you would have done some graphs on mathematics, graphs on quadratic graphs, and other trigonometric graphs. But that's mathematics. But in economics does not deal with too much bogus graphs. You understand? So economics is simply just the graph is simply just representing the information in the graph. I drew a graph in the group earlier on in the first morning class. So I'll be using that graph to explain this graph. So go back to that graph and check it out. It's just I converted the table to a graph. So I showed a table in the picture. So that shows that in economics you can convert from one form of information to another. You can convert a table to a graph. You can convert a graph to whatever you want to convert it to. You can convert a graph to a pie chart, a table to a pie chart. So the next one we're talking about is charts. Charts include pie charts, bar charts, pictograms, all these things that have charts, pie charts, bar charts, even histogram. Histogram is like bar chart. So after this, we'll be talking about mean, median, and mode. Mean, median, and mode. Mean is like the average. Then mode is like the most occurring. If I say the mode of um, of people in Nigeria is black. So I'm trying to say that the maximum people in Nigeria, before you can say a white person in Nigeria, you have to kind of sweat. So, but black are most populous. So mode is like the most populous thing in something. Then mean is the average, right? Mode is the most populous. Then median is like the middle. So when someone is sitting in the middle of two people, it's like the median. You get. So these instruments I just listed, they are used to analyze and present data in a table. So after this, I'll be talking about a questions. I'll be taking some questions from essential economics. That's page. I'll I'll disclose the page soon.